Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file business taxes for LLC in TurboTax. So, of course, head over to TurboTax and make sure that you're logged into your account. So, from here, we're just going to proceed with our progress just by clicking on any button. Next, in the left panel, head over and click on Federal, then Wages and Income. To start filing, it is important to know first your LLC's tax classification. For example, multi-member LLC. So these are for partnerships. And with this, you're going to need to file Form 1065 for the LLC and issue Schedule K1 to each partner. And for LLC taxed as S Corp, you're going to need file Form 1120 and issue Schedule K1 to owners or shareholders. So, say for example, we have LLC taxed as S Corp. To do that here, all you have to do is look for Schedule K1 and click on Add or Edit button. And with this, we're going to need to file Form 1120S. So, this is the form for S Corps. We're just going to head over and click on Start. And from here, all you have to do is fill in all the details about the S Corp, starting with the name of the Corp, address, city, state, and zip code. Then once done, just head over and click on Continue. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!